Hello everyone. A warm greetings to all the physiotherapists, the organizing committee, and the students of physiotherapy. This is Subaru Annavarapu, working as a consultant physiotherapist at Vijayalakshmi Physiotherapy Clinic from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Before start my presentation, I would like to thank all the organizing committee for encouraging the newcomers like me by providing such a wonderful and an innovative opportunity like this. Today's my topic is active release therapy to decrease pain in physiotherapy. So let us see what is active release therapy. It is a non-invasive manual therapy technique that works to correct soft tissue restrictions that cause pain and mobility issues. The main goal is to break down the scar tissue and adhesions in order to optimize function in the body. Now coming to what is the purpose. Why should we need to perform ART? Because it can be applied to both acute and chronic conditions involving the muscles, tendons, ligaments, nerves and fascia. Its design is threefold. Number one is to restore free and unimpeded motion of all soft tissues. Second one, to release entrapped nerves, vasculature and lymphatics. Finally, to re-establish optimal texture, resilience and function of soft tissues. How do the physiotherapist perform ART? In this therapy, the therapist applies deep tension at the area of tenderness while the patient is instructed to actively move the injury site. This produces a longitudinal sliding motion of the soft tissues like nerves, ligaments, and muscles beneath the contact point. During the treatment, the therapist will position the tissue so it's active. For example, to treat an injured muscle with ART, the therapist puts the patient in a position so that the muscle is shortened. Next, you will instruct the patient to lengthen while he holds the tension in a place. He may apply this combination of tension and motion to several different areas before the patient feel full release. It's kind of massage, but with motion and stretching, except the physiotherapist will use small targeted contact points rather than broad strokes. The technique can feel quite intense as it increases nervous system's tolerance for stretching the muscle. Many describe it as a good pain. Other treatments like massage or myofascial release techniques also focus on the same concept. But ART has a unique approach. It involves a number of specific manual therapy techniques. At each session, the therapist will assess which specific muscle to target and find the scar tissues that are causing the problem within it. When to perform ART? It can be performed in conditions like low backache, sciatica, plantar fasciitis, neck pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, runner's knee, shin splints, shoulder pain, frozen shoulder, tendinitis, sports injuries, and postoperative scars and adhesions. The therapist should be careful when the patient is suffering from the conditions like atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis, autoimmune disorders, cancer, embolism or thrombus, hemangioma, high blood pressure, intervertebral disc disease, intrauterine device, psychotic patients, and varicose veins. And the results after performing ART in number of patients experienced are decrease in pain, increase in mobility, increase in blood circulation, increase in range of motion, and relief of symptoms happen can immediately after the first session. Once the restrictive adhesions between tissues has been released, post-treatment exercises becomes an essential part. There are 4 fundamental exercises that should be addressed. Number 1, flexibility exercises. Second one, strengthening exercises, which are more effective after ART, and balance and proprioception, which describes the body's ability to react appropriately to external forces. And last one, cardiovascular exercises for restoring the good circulation and for increasing oxygen delivery for soft tissues. I thank everyone for listening to my presentation. I hope this was useful and informative. Please do review and comment your doubts on this presentation in the comment box. Thank you.